Hello and welcome to tazwells12. You are on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12, and I am the host, who is Tara Wells. Today's video is going to be a B&M haul. There is a few Christmas presents in here I've bought for people, and just generally other bits that I wanted to pick up. So that's today's video. Before we get into the video, I just want to say the nitty-gritty stuff. That is, if you like the video loads and loads and loads, please give it a big thumbs up because it helps me with my content for the future. So if you're new, hello, welcome. You are welcome to join our little love family. You are more than welcome. But if you want to, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification button, because that will tell you when I've uploaded a video straight off the back. And also on my main page of YouTube, I am trying to update it more and more. There is a button at the top that is linked to Instagram, if you could check that out. If you could follow me on there as well, please. I think that's everything now. Let's get on into the B&M haul. B&M haul, like I said, I got some Christmas presents and I got some little bits from myself and picked up that I saw either on Instagram or I thought, oh, they look quite nice. So we're going to go through everything that we've got. The first item is, as you come normally into B&M, they normally have a load of food items, and I actually have a look at the Pop-Tarts every single time because they seem to get American ones in there, and I'm really intrigued to try out some new ones. Love the classic strawberry with the ice on the front. That is classic, love that. But I saw these ones. I know these look a bit sickly, and they do, and I probably won't use them as a breakfast because Pop-Tarts are meant to be a breakfast snack. Yes, the strawberry ones you can use for that, but these I wouldn't. These ones are Pop-Tarts, the frosted chocolate chip cookie dough, and this is what they look like inside, and they look really nice. But what I thought, there's 8 toaster pasties in here, proudly baked in the USA. But what I thought might to do with these, because there's a lot of calories in there, there's 370 in one. So I thought what they might do with these is actually have them as a little pudding after like a dinner or something like that. So I thought that'd be quite good, maybe just to do that. And that's them, and I think they look really, really nice. So I will try and tell you my verdict once I've had these. The price of the Pop-Tarts was, they were $2.99, which they are a bit expensive, but they're ones I haven't tried and they'd be alright as a treat after dinner. Next, in the foodie aisles, I picked up these. You know I absolutely love these. These were a tester from the last one and I absolutely love these, so I will go through them because I think they're really good. They're Mo Healthy One fibre bars, 87 calories in a bar. They're like little squares, so nice. There's 4 in a pack. I think there could be a little bit more in there. They're high in fibre, and they are the birthday cake ones, and these taste so nice. I normally sometimes have these as a little treat. Sometimes I will have them in the morning if I'm working, but if I fancy a little treat that I haven't had one of the day, then I will have one of these or any of the other little fibre bars that I have, and I think they're really nice. They just take that sweetness taste off that you want. And I got 2 boxes of these and they were £1 each. I got a wax melt. This is actually one of the Christmas presents I will give someone. I'm not going to actually say who it is, but this is one of the Christmas presents I'm going to give someone. I think this is really nice. I'm quite tempted to pick one of these up for myself. So it's a little wax burner. The plate on the top is really, really good, and then you've got the wax melt, which has got the little circular bit for it, so it's really, really clever. What I really liked about this was this grey design, and then it had like little hearts all around the top, which is really, really cute. And then it's got this massive heart cut out, and this is sturdy and it's bigger than the ones I've got. Like I said, I was really tempted to get one of these myself, but I've got 2 at the go. They're just a bit smaller. I've got a grey one and a white one. I think that's going to be enough for us. I did really like these, thought they were good for the price, and the price of this was £2.99, which I thought was a really nice gift and price for that. I always look in the cleaning section. I always have a look in there because they have some good Fabulosa stuff. So I actually picked another one up. This is what it is. So this really intrigued me. If they come out with like a new scent, really intrigued. So this is kind of a winter one, which I really did like. And these bottles are really handy because you can actually get refills. Try and keep the bottles as much as possible, but they're just as cheap because the refills are about £1, and then these and on their own are about £1. So to be fair, you might be best to get a bottle, but obviously if you get a nice scent that you want all the time, then maybe just use the bottle that you've got and just stock up on the scent that you like. This is the scent Fairy Dust. It's concentrated disinfectant from Fabulosa. It kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. Ready to use formula, cleans and shines, eliminates odour, long lasting freshness, and there's 500 ml in this bottle. And I thought it was really cute with the little fairy. I did try to smell this in the shop, what it was, and it did smell to me like Parma violets, and to be fair, Parma violets is quite a Christmassy like taste and flavour. Obviously this is a scent, but when Parma violets, I think they are quite Christmassy, so it's quite clever and I thought that was quite nice. If you don't like Parma violets, then maybe not get this because that's what I think it smells of. I don't know, let me know if you do know what it smells like, but it's only £1. As I got the wax melt display holder little ceramic thing, I actually picked up some wax melt. So I bought these ones and I bought some others to go with it because I thought if I haven't got any wax melts, it's no good as a present, is it really? These, I thought these were really cute. So they're little stars and then they've got like little star designs on them, and then they've got glittery stars, like glitter on them. Lovely. The smell is quite fresh, which is nice. You sometimes want a nice fresh clean laundry smell. Pick these up. So these are the Snowfall, the 6 glitter wax melts. They apparently were £1.50, but when I just looked at my receipt, they were actually £1. So I'm a little bit gutted because I would have picked them up another one of these because I kind of think they're really nice actually, as even after Christmas they're just really pretty. So I'm kind of gutted. So if I might go in there again, I might pick them up another one of these, but they're still really nice for that. Pick some more wax melts up as presents. So I tried to smell these much as I could. So these are like that, and they look grey and white, which is quite a nice colour. I like people like the neutral colours. I'll go for this one first. So this is a heritage collection. This is silver orchid, scented wax melts, a floral aroma combining scents of orchid and rose on a base note of musk and ylang ylang. So that was that, and you get 8 in a packet for each side, so that was £1.50. Thought they were quite nice. And then the other ones were vanilla and amberwood. Everyone loves a bit of vanilla, and these are a sweet vanilla scent with top notes of sandalwood and cheddar. I can just sort of smell vanilla out of that, but £1.50 as well, and there is 8 little segments in there too. Had to go and look at the Christmas decorations. I've got to look in every store at them. I love this time of year where they all come out, and I love looking, and it's a bit of a shame when the stores are a little bit shut because now some of the stores I can't look at the decorations. I love this time of year when you can do that. B&M was open still, which is good. So I actually got some Christmas decorations in there because I think the high street decorations are so much better than any expensive decorations this year. I don't know what's going on, but they've bigged their game up for this year. And I actually got 2 that I really like. I got these. I thought they were really pretty for what they were. These are just like a star design. You've got these little sparkles on that do actually fall off, so you have to be very careful. It's very weird. It's not like glitter, but it's harder than glitter. And then they've got this velvet little chain on the top. This is called Glitter Star, and then on the back they just painted it, and it's actually all wooden, thick wooden, so I love things like this. So I picked up 2 of them because I like to be even with my decorations. But these were a really good price, and these were only £1, and they did have like tree designs as well. They were cute, but not as cute as the stars, but I still really like these. There was a couple out there, but I think that's so good for £1. Love that. Like I said, I always look on Instagram at Home Bargains and B&M. I always get inspiration from their Instagram. They always put something on their stories, or someone like tags them in something, or they put it actually on their page, and I love it. And I saw this and it was great, and I wanted one like this. I think it was Home Bargains had one, but it was just a bit too heavy. I wanted something that was quite light that you could just take around the house very, very easy. This is what I saw on there. I thought this was perfect. So it's just plastic, it's just normal, but I liked it because it had this obviously freshen up on the front here. Love a bit of grey. Love this. And you've got some compartments in there. Sorry, I was holding my Christmas decorations in. So you've got 2 for like bottles, 1 for all your cleaning like materials, and I thought this was really, really good. This is called the Metallic Slogan Cleaning Caddy, and this was only £2, and I thought, you know what, that's going to be really, really good. There was only a couple of these left. They were quite hard to find actually, because I was like to my mum, I was like, I'm trying to find this, let's find it, let's go. And we found them luckily, but there's only 3 of these grey ones, but there was loads of white ones. It had pink writing on it, not my cup of tea. If it had like a gold, I think people would have more gone for it, and it did have like a different little phrase on it, but the grey one I think everyone's sort of gone for. But I'm so glad I found this because I think it'll be so handy. This is another Christmas present for someone, and I looked at it and I thought that was really good for the price it is. I thought normally I do something else for them, but my mum's done it for them this year, and I was like, I don't really want to copy, but it's hard to find stuff for them. Yes, it's a man, I know that, men are hard to buy for, but this was like, I thought this was really good priced. Normally what I do at Christmas is buy people a present and then put money with it, because I think that's just the best thing to do. They get a gift and then they can buy with what they want with the money. And I thought this was really good, really, really good. So this is the Hobgoblin bottle and glass gift set, Born Different. So basically you get a bottle of Hobgoblin, which is the ruby beer one. No, they like this. And then you also get the actual Hobgoblin glass with this. And I thought this was really, really nice. And this was really good priced. It was only £3.99. Thought that was super, super good. Normally these can be very, very expensive, but to be honest, £4 for this, I thought was really, really good priced. And the last item I am so glad I found. I was unexpectedly to find this. I was so happy. Basically there is a gin in a pub that I absolutely love, and I looked online for it and it was stinking expensive, and I was like, wow. I think it was about £20–25, I think, in that bracket. And I was just like, no, I'm so not buying that. It's so expensive for gin. At the end of the day, you're just drinking it. I do love a good gin, but if it's cheap and it tastes good, then it's better. So I was really happy to see this. And there was only 2 on the shelf, which I was super, super happy. And then I looked at the price. I was like, I'll look at the price to see if it's like extortionate. It was not. I will tell you that in a minute. But what I found was this. This gin is absolutely amazing. It is one of my best flavoured gins. So this is the Zomgoren. It's really hard to say their name. So this is what their name is. So it's Zomagorium. So it's spelled Zymurgorium. This is cherry on top Bakewell gin based liqueur, 20% volume. There is 50 cl in here, and this is just good. This tastes amazing. It tastes so good. It is my best flavoured one ever. They only had 2 bottles of this left. I was so happy to see this. This is a little present to myself, of course. I love a good gin, but I was so happy to see this because I just didn't think I was ever going to see it in a shop, and it was an even better price. To be fair, I should have bought both bottles because this will go, and I think that's why there was only 2 left, because this was at the price of $11.99, and if you research this is so much more. I bought another one out of B&M and I think it was about £15, the same make, but it was the sweet violet one. That's a really nice one as well. I was so superly happy to find this, and I'm so glad I've got it because this tastes good. So I may have to go and get the other bottle because it's very tempting to go and get it, but I'll see you next time I go in there. But I've got one at least, and I'm happy with that. And that was the last item, by the way. This is the end of the B&M haul. I hope that you've liked this. I hope that I've give you sort of some inspiration for Christmas presents to go in B&M. Some of it was food, like I said, some of it was home stuff, and some of it's presents, but hopefully you'll be like, oh, that someone might like that, so I hope that's helped in that way. If you like the video, then please give it a massive thumbs up because it definitely helps me out for future content, and I know that you do like these hauls. And also, like I said, if you're new, come and join the little love family. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and also check out my Instagram as well, please. I hope that you all keep safe and warm and ready for Christmas, and I will all see you soon. Bye. Oh, and the video is not sponsored by any of this, so bye.